Guys, today I will show you how to create a new database in Baserow.io. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Baserow tutorials. So, log in to Baserow.io account and open it in Chrome. To get this dashboard after your successful login, click on the plus button here, Add New. Find Database, choose Database, and name it, for example, Database 1. And click on Add Database here to start creating your first database. Let Baserow process the operation. And here it is, guys. Just here, Baserow has successfully created your database. You can select the first config, that is, for example, ID, and add field, for example, name, ID, and make a choice, for example, long text. Click on Create, and click on Create. You can also add other columns here in your database. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.